It's recording.
What I do?
Y'all, let's talk about Mr. Waters.
Let me tell you.
We talking about Mr. Waters.
Let me tell you. Think about the dog.
All right.
Just look at it. Take a look. Take a seat. Mr. Waters.
You look like a bird. A bird nigga.
A little peacock or something.
Right.
You got sound on that?
Yeah.
Because I got sound.
That's not why I got sound on my camera. That's all. Oh no! And these are, let's zoom in. This is what you call lame.
They ugly.
It look like they cute from far back. You want to see a close-up? Let's go. Oh, little person. That's Derek. Not so hot. He don't even count. And don't touch your head now. This is on YouTube. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, I got your face already. That's a nice shirt. Derek, do you remember when I used to tell you look like a Keebler elf? What? Do you remember? Tell me he don't look like a Keebler elf. I know you remember. Don't put your music back on. Close your mouth, Derek. Close your mouth. Courtney. What is wrong? Come on, Courtney. Look up. It's recording. Don't look at me.
Look at me, little puppet.
Don't look at him.
What?
You're bored.
Dude. Okay, I'm talking to you.
You're not talking to me.
Yes, I am talking to you.
Stop talking to the camera.
Look at Don.
Hey.
Look at Don and look at Jerry. Look at Jerry, man. He's being very artistic right about now, man. How you zoom in? How you zoom in? Oh, zoom.
Get him. Get him in his soccer suit.
Said kiss his ass. Ain't nobody trying to do that.
Why they had the answers to the test and ain't help nobody?
She talking about me, y'all.
Yes, all him.
And this guy right here. And it's a wrap. We're done for the day.
It gotta be.
Get it.
I'm done too.
How you coming out?